Hello, and welcome to our Masterclass. Today, we're tackling one of the most complex yet crucial aspects of college planning, understanding your financial aid award letter. This document ultimately determines the true cost of your college education, and deciphering it correctly is essential. Let's break it down together and ensure you're fully informed. What is a financial aid award letter? At its core, a financial aid award letter is an official document from a college outlining the financial aid package they are offering you. However, it's not a simple, singular figure. It's a breakdown of various types of aid, each with different implications for your financial future. The key components consist of the cost of attendance, or COA, the total estimated cost of attending the college, including tuition, fees, room and board, books, and personal expenses. Then there's your SAI, or Student Aid Index, which is the amount your family is expected to contribute, determined based on information from the FAFSA or CSS Profile. Grants and scholarships. These are forms of financial aid that do not need to be repaid, making them the most desirable sources of funding. Loans. Borrowed money that must be repaid, often with interest. There's also work study, a program that provides part-time employment opportunities to help cover educational costs. Understanding the terms. Grants versus scholarships. Grants are typically awarded based on financial need, whereas scholarships are often merit-based. While both provide free financial assistance, they may come with different renewal conditions. Then there's subsidized versus unsubsidized loans. A subsidized loan, you do not accrue interest while you are in school, whereas an unsubsidized loan begins accumulating interest immediately. Understanding these distinctions is critical when considering your long-term debt obligations. Renewal conditions. Some forms of aid are renewable, meaning you must meet certain academic standards or reapply by filing the FAFSA annually. Always review the conditions carefully to ensure continued eligibility. Now let's get into how you read your award letter. To effectively interpret your award letter, analyze each component individually. Net cost can be found when you subtract all grants, scholarships, and aid from the COA to determine what remains for you to cover. Aid distribution is important for you to know so you understand how your aid package is structured, meaning how much is in grants or scholarships versus loans and work study opportunities. Then you can begin comparing offers. If you receive multiple offer letters, it is essential to compare them strategically. Look beyond the amount of aid awarded and focus on the net cost after aid is applied to see how much you will pay in total. Consider which school is offering a greater proportion of grants and scholarships versus loans. Less debt means greater financial freedom after graduation. To assist with this evaluation, utilize our Financial Aid Award Analysis Worksheet designed to help you dissect and compare each offer methodically. What if the offer isn't enough, as it is in many cases? Think about appealing for more aid. If your financial aid package falls short of your needs, consider the following steps. First, a change in circumstances will trigger an appeal. If your financial situation has changed since submitting your FAFSA, you may be eligible for a reassessment and can file an appeal. Then there's competitive offers, which is another angle you can employ. If another school has offered you a better package, you may be able to use this information to negotiate for additional aid. When submitting an appeal, be sure to include new financial information. Provide documentation that reflects any changes in your financial situation. If applicable, reference more favorable offers from other institutions. Clearly articulate your commitment to the school and your financial need with a personal statement to explain the circumstances you are appealing. Reference our sample appeals for a template on how to draft yours. Understanding your financial award letter is a vital step in planning for college. As you move forward, remember to use the Financial Aid Award Analysis Worksheet to evaluate each offer carefully. Read all fine print regarding the renewal conditions of your aid package. Don't hesitate to appeal if your financial situation warrants reconsideration. Thank you for joining us. Let's work together to ensure that your college choice is not only academically fulfilling, but also financially sustainable.